Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. My name is Akash Shukla, and guys, after SBI PO, now SBI has announced its vacancy for the SBI apprentice. Guys, you can see here on the official website of SBI engagement of apprentice under the Apprentice Act 1961. Guys, when you gonna click on that, here an advertisement is there, guys. Okay, so let's download this advertisement in English. So this is the advertisement, guys. The SBI apprentice. Okay, so SBI apprentice vacancy is there, and how many vacancies are there? Let us discuss, guys. So if we talk about the vacancy, guys, there are total of 8,500 vacancies, guys. 8,500 vacancies are there. Okay, so in front of your screen, on your screen, you can also see the category wise vacancy and the state wise vacancy as well, guys. For the Gujarat state, obviously you must know the Gujarati language. For the Andhra Pradesh, you must know Telugu and Urdu. Karnataka for the Kannada. In the same way, you must know the regional language, guys. Okay, and the category wise vacancy breakup is also given on your screen, guys. Okay, and guys, now you can see state. For the Gujarat state, the total is seats are 480, guys. Then for the 480 seats, district wise vacancy breakup is also given, guys. For the Ahmedabad 21, Amreli 43, Anand 18, Aravali 7. Okay, so Baroda and Bharuch. So in the same way, all the states have district wise vacancy breakup also, guys. Okay, so this is the SBI apprentice notification. We are scrolling, guys. So and now you can see here for the Uttar Pradesh 120 vacancies are there, and again you have the district wise vacancy breakup, guys. District wise vacancy breakup is also given on your screen, guys. And now, guys, if you see the age, so age is in the same way for the SBI clerk. For the SBI clerk, what we have, maximum age is 28. In the same way, for the apprentice, you have the maximum age as 28 and the minimum age is 20 years as on 31st October 2020, guys. Okay, but you must know that you must have been born not earlier than this date, okay, and not later than this date, and both days inclusive, guys. Okay, and obviously there will be the relaxation in the for the SC, ST, OBC and PWD candidates as given here. Okay, guys, and reservation for person with disability is also given as per the Rights of Person with Disability Act 2016, guys. Okay, so the students who are joining now, so let me tell you, we are scrolling the SBI apprentice 2020 notification, which is just out, guys. So for the education qualification, as on 31st October, you must be graduate from a recognized university as for the SBI clerk and for the SBI PO. The same education qualification is given. Duration of the training, guys, 3 years only. Okay, the selected apprentice should be willing to qualify in the examination of IBPS, IIBPF, JIIB, CAIB during 3 years apprentice engagement in the bank. So guys, let me tell you, this is not a permanent job of the SBI. Okay, as SBI clerk and SBI PO, this is not the permanent job, guys. Apprentice is nothing but kind of a administration job. Okay, so whatever you do in the administration in the banking, so you will do when you get selected as an apprentice, guys. Okay, but this is not the fixed job. Okay, although you know, this is a pandemic. Okay, so due to the deficiency of job, if you want to go for the apprentice, then you can go with, but please keep in mind that while doing the job, it is very it will be very difficult to prepare for the clerk and PO apart from that, because you know, guys, you if you want to crack SBI clerk or SBI PO, then you have to give the exams of these posts separately, whether you are apprentice or not, it doesn't matter. Okay, so please keep these point in mind. If you are an apprentice, if you get selected in the apprentice, then you have to give the SBI clerk and SBI PO exam separately as a normal student give. Okay, in just the deficiency of job, if you have the some financial problem, then you can go with this post, guys. So obviously there is selection process also there for this examination, for this post. Basically, online written test and test of local language will be there. Okay, so online test is the name of the test are given here. 4 section will be there for the 15 minute duration and having 25 questions of 25 marks. Okay, so general financial awareness, general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, and computer aptitude. So you can see here a combination of prelims and mains examination pattern is given, and 100 question for the 100 marks are there, and total duration for the test is 1 hour, guys. Okay, so test will be in English and Hindi as well for the test of general English, guys. Okay, so I hope you are getting, and obviously there's negative marking for the wrong answer, as SBI always do, or every banking exam always do, 1/4 of the mark assigned, guys. Okay, and test of the local language will also be there, because if you are applying for the Gujarat region, then you must know the Gujarati. If you are applying for the Uttar Pradesh region, then you must know the Hindi language. Okay, so regional language must also be there. Okay, so here examination center, state UT, and examination center for these one, examination center for these one are also given, guys. You can go with these one also. Okay, guys, and apart from that, let me tell you one thing, guys. Here the test of local language, obviously I've already told you that there's the test of local language. Okay, local language will be the medical examination will also be there. Okay, and final selection will subject to the verification of the eligibility for the post and information furnished in the online application. And apart from that, qualifying in the test of specified opted local language where the application is detailed about. Okay, and declared fit in the medical examination. Okay, so when you will complete your prelims exams, or when you complete your exam basically, or you have cracked that exam, so you must verify, you must qualify in these exams as well. Okay, roles and responsibility, I've already told you, this is not an employment in the bank, this is just a temporary kind of job. Okay, an apprentice job, you do have to work the administration workers. Okay, so this time fee is also given. General and OBC for the EWS candidate 300 rupee per candidate, and SC, ST and PWD there is a nil. Okay, there is no any fee for this examination. And if you guys talk about the how to apply, so guys, only the online mode is there, no other mode of application will be accepted except online mode, guys. Okay, so this is how you can apply, guys. So if we talk about, guys, your examination date, so examination date is also given. This is basically a tentative date, guys. Okay, a tentative date is given. So let me show you guys here. The online examination will be held in January 21 tentatively. Okay, so this is the tentative date, and this is the apprentice vacancy SBI has recently announced, guys. So obviously if you are get selected as apprentice, then you are eligible for the stipend of rupees 15,000 per month during first year, and 16,500 per month during second year, and 19,000 per month during third year. Okay, apprentices are not eligible for any other allowance or benefit, obviously, because it is not a fixed job, it is a temporary job, and it is not a government job. So that's why it so all the allowances or benefit you are getting from the government when you get selected as a SBI clerk or SBI PO, you won't have any benefit if you get selected as an apprentice. But guys, let me tell you, if you want to take the experience from this exam, because written exam is there. Okay, and only 300 rupees is fee, so you can go with the examination and you can apply yourself how you can solve the question, and how much you score basically in this examination. Okay, and if you get selected in the apprentice, if you are jobless, guys, and you have the financial problem, then you can go with this job. Otherwise, you just need to go with the clerk and PO job, guys. Okay, because SBI clerk and SBI PO one of the top most banking jobs among the aspirant, guys. Okay, so I won't say you to switch from these objective. Okay, guys, so thank you very much, keep watching Entry, and please subscribe the channel if you like the video and if you like the notification as well. So thank you very much. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam, guys.